The Epson LightScene EV-110 3 LCD projector is a next-generation display solution designed to transform ordinary spaces into visually stunning environments. Unlike traditional projectors meant for home theaters or conference rooms, this device focuses on creative applications, from retail displays and exhibitions to galleries and immersive installations. Its unique design and advanced features make it a standout in the world of professional projection. The design immediately draws attention. The EV-110 doesn't resemble a conventional projector. Its cylindrical body, finished in sleek white, has a minimalistic, modern aesthetic that blends seamlessly into any environment. It's intended to act as a discreet yet powerful tool for visual storytelling. Whether mounted on a ceiling, wall, or placed on a tabletop, it maintains a low profile while delivering striking visuals. Performance is where the EV-110 shines. Featuring Epson's 3 LCD technology, it produces vibrant, accurate colors without the rainbow artifacts common in other projectors. Its resolution of 1280 by 800 16:10 aspect ratio offers sharp and detailed visuals, ideal for motion graphics, ambient effects, or product highlighting. With a brightness of 2200 lumens, it's optimized for low to medium-lit spaces, ensuring that every projection is vivid and engaging. Flexibility is a key advantage of this projector. Unlike traditional setups, it can project on walls, floors, ceilings, or even curved and uneven surfaces. This allows designers and businesses to create dynamic visual experiences, from animated brand logos in retail spaces to artistic installations in galleries. The projector's ability to seamlessly adapt to unconventional surfaces opens up new possibilities for creative storytelling. The EV-110 is powered by a laser light source with an estimated lifespan of 20,000 hours, which translates to years of maintenance-free operation. There's no need for bulb replacements, and brightness remains consistent throughout its lifetime. It also operates quietly, making it ideal for environments where ambience and atmosphere are critical. Setup is straightforward and adaptable. The projector supports both portrait and landscape orientations, along with digital lens shift, zoom, and corner adjustments. This flexibility makes it easy to align images perfectly, even in challenging or irregular spaces. Whether the projector is mounted high on a ceiling or placed at an angle on a table, installation is simplified without sacrificing image quality. Connectivity options are extensive. The EV-110 includes HDMI, USB, RJ45, and SD card ports, allowing for direct playback for media storage or integration with networked media players. Epson's content management software enables scheduling and remote control of the projected content, which is essential for commercial setups requiring automated or timed visuals. What sets this projector apart is its hybrid design that combines projection with spotlight functionality. This allows visuals to interact with physical objects, creating layered effects that enhance products, exhibits, or spaces. The projector can highlight specific areas while projecting motion graphics around them, offering a unique blend of functionality and creativity. In practical applications, the EV-110 brings spaces to life. Retail stores can create eye-catching product displays, museums can enhance exhibits with dynamic motion, and event spaces can craft immersive atmospheres for guests. Its versatility ensures that each projection is both professional and visually captivating. Epson's laser technology ensures consistent color and brightness over time, making the EV-110 reliable for long-term installations. Its combination of design, performance, and flexibility makes it a powerful tool for businesses and creatives who want to deliver impactful visual experiences. The Epson LightScene EV-110 3 LCD projector is more than just a device for displaying images. It's a solution for transforming environments and enhancing creative storytelling. It seamlessly combines innovation, aesthetics, and performance to offer one of the most versatile projection experiences available today. If you want to explore the possibilities with the Epson LightScene EV-110, check the link in the description for more information and purchase options.